Good afternoon and welcome to Paul T's World, and in this video I'm just going to show you the half-price plants I've just bought at a local garden centre. Late summer is a great time to get some good value plants. This is the area here that I want to be full of bees. I've got the liatris, which is doing really well. Obviously it's pretty well over now it's August. The other plants I've cut back, the veronicas and the verbenas and the salvias. The lychnis, the rose campion have self-seeded. There's probably a few too many of them at the moment. Oh, and also there looks to be an Achillea mollis there. The back of this little border has got a Cotoneaster horizontalis. It's got its berries out at the moment. Birds will be liking those in the winter. On this side of the heuchera, with some osteospermum behind, plus a verbena rigida that I planted early on that I was given by a neighbour. I need to do something with this bed. I want it to have plants that attract the bees. I've got plenty of room here and a couple of things I'm actually going to move. So this is my little plant haul from a local garden centre.
Well, it's probably the whole area is about this lot.
I found a monarda, balmy pink, a little sedum, sun sparkler lime, twister. What a name. It's got nice colourful leaves that I quite like. Then I've got another kind of monarda. So this is balmy lilac, Lilium sunny robin. So I'll have those on the patio. Now it does actually say £7.50 each for all of these, or 3 for £20, but in actual fact the garden centre changed it all to all 4 for £20. So I think that that's quite a bargain, isn't it? Good time to buy plants. Prefers humus-rich soil that is moist but not waterlogged and situated in sun or dappled shade. Well, I'm putting them in full sun. Flowering time summer, height and spread 30 centimetres by 30 centimetres, that's 12 by 12 inches. Water well before planting. Do not allow to dry out in summer. Well, that's easy enough. And let's have a look now at the sedum sun sparkler lime twister. Comes back every year. Low growing mounds of spreading stems hold succulent leaves that are lovely contrast to clusters of star-like flowers in late summer. Drought tolerant. Flowering time late summer into autumn. And in actual fact these sedums generally are some of the later flowering plants in the garden. 20 by 45 centimetres, that's 8 by 18 inches. Some sedum in the garden. In fact, they're just over here on the other side of this little lawn. And here they are. So they attract the bees beautifully in September and through to possibly October. Let's have a slightly closer look at these lilies. Compact Asiatic hybrid lily producing sumptuous blooms on sturdy stems, ideal for patio containers or the front of a border. Moist but well-drained soil in a sunny spot, preferably with shaded roots. Flowering time, summer. Height 40 to 60 centimetres by 25 centimetres. That's 18 to 24 inches by 10 inches. For good measure, I also bought these salvia in a nice little pot. And these were £9.99, but they were half price. So I paid £5 for this little display. The next couple of days, I'm going to be improving the soil in this bed, and in those 4 plants will go. And I'll see you next time in Paul T's World. Bye.